So here's the ratchet piece with the hook on that's attached to the end, right? And then there's the other piece of slack that has the other hook attached to it. But the first thing you want to do is take this ratchet piece and kind of hold it like a taco, like I do right here. And then you push up this little spring-loaded piece so you can push up and then rotate it. So hold it like a taco, fold it like a pancake is what I like to do. And what you want to do is keep this little slot you see in the middle here kind of facing upward as it is here, because you're going to take the slack and you're going to come underneath, come through this little slot, and then pull it and go down around this and pull it through. So I'll kind of show you what I mean by that. Here you have the slack piece. You've got this folded like a pancake, right, with this slot parallel, so it's open. You want to come underneath, again, underneath it, come through, right, push that fabric through the slot, as I do here. Then you want to make a loop and pull this fabric back down, right, which I'll show you underneath too. Ready? Pull it down through. And this is how you tighten. So you want to pull the slack through. Once you have it around the object that you want to pull the slack until it's taut. And then to tighten it, you still have to push in and make it into a taco again. So I'll show you what I mean by that here. So I have the hook side with the ratchet. I'm going to attach it to this hook here in my truck bed, right? Attach this hook to the other support on my truck bed. You can see that it's attached over to this support, to that support. I'm going to pull this slack that's in the ratchet through until it's as taut as it can be, right? Okay, so here's kind of a different angle. I've got the slack as taut as I can have it, right? And what I want to do now is push up on this spring again and make the ratchet into a taco, and just keep doing that. You can grab this handle and just kind of cinch it down. And that's how that mechanism works, right? And then to release the mechanism, right, you have it like a taco. So all you have to do again is push in on this spring, right, and pull it out and make it into a pancake until you'll hear it like kind of click. There you go. So once it's a pancake, all you have to do is just push away, and there you go. It'll come free enough from the slack that you can pull the slack through the ratchet piece. And there you go.